Hey everyone. Welcome to part 12 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, I've shared 10 logic building questions for you to solve. These challenges are designed to sharpen your problem-solving skills and boost your Python expertise. Let's get started.
If you print that way, you get all the numbers this way. Okay, if you take here and equal to, you get all numbers here itself. You get all the numbers. Okay, up to 10 you'll get all the numbers. You cannot give else statement here. For that you need to give the separate statement. Okay, the statement that you are taking for odd numbers. Okay, same statement you need to take again. You cannot take it. Okay, if you want to use, the only thing is like input. Okay, you're not taking multiple inputs. If you want odd and even, you need to take this way. Okay, even numbers are and odd numbers here also. And after this, you're not getting any gap. So here, if you want, if you're not getting that way, you can use one print statement for new line. Okay, you'll get this way. How you want to use the logic, it depends upon you only. How you are creating the logic. Basic thing is like you need to understand coding part. The one who is very new to this thing, they'll feel little harder, but these are not harder. Just practice it. Go through the recording again. Okay, practice these things. It will become very easy to you. Okay, like this coding, na, we can take so many codings. I want to give some task to everyone. Okay, I want you people to do a task. Um, some print tables up to given numbers. Question one. Print tables up to given number. Given number in the sense if I'm giving 5 na, I want table up to 5. That means like you need to print tables up to 5. Okay. And sum of natural numbers. Do this also. What is the sum of natural numbers? Okay. Factorial of a given number. Factorial of a given number. Okay. And some more questions I want to give you. Like these are general questions. If you want to build your logical skill now, you need to practice these things. Check whether a given number is prime or not. This condition. And one more question. I want Fibonacci series also. I want this Fibonacci series also. And if possible, write this prime numbers below n. Okay. And similarly, prime numbers between two numbers. Between two numbers. This coding also. Okay. Even number and odd numbers between two numbers. Like same logic. In this way, you can upskill your logical skill. Okay. Even numbers and odd numbers between two numbers. Two numbers in the sense you need to take two inputs. Okay. Initially n1 or n2, two numbers in between them you need to take two numbers in the sense. Okay. Print tables between two numbers. Same between two numbers. Ninth question. And one more question. This is your task. I want to check like before you attend the class now, everyone please share your notebook. Okay, this helps you to develop your Python skills. Whatever logic I'm giving, it helps you. Definitely it helps you and you need to try to practice these things. And try to don't copy it. Don't try to copy it. Okay, try to solve it. If you're not getting, no problem, I'll help you in doing these questions also. Okay, and one more question I want to give. Some it's like related to nested loop. I want to give one question now. Okay, related to nested loop, I want to give question now. If num equal to 20, okay, here you need to give that sum of 20 numbers. You need to print sum of 20 numbers. I want. You need to print sum of 20 numbers. Okay. Here one logic. If number is less than 20, okay. Condition number is less than 20. In this condition, you need to print that prime numbers up to that number. Print that prime numbers up to that number. Okay. If okay, number is less than 20 and condition is if number is greater than 20, here in this condition you need to print the tables up to that number. To that number, it means like I'm giving 7, you need to print up to that number. If I'm giving some 25, you need to give prime numbers up to that number. Okay, what all prime numbers you'll get up to that number you need to print. Okay, and similarly if number is equal to 20, you need to give sum of 20. You need to print sum of 20. Okay, or else here if number is equal to 20, take one more input value, and take one more input value, sum of input value. Okay, even this thing also you take number input you'll take. Okay, this thing everything keyboard, like input should be from keyboard. Take input values from keyboard. Don't take that values, don't assign the values. Okay, here also everything I want you to take from keyboard. Keyboard values, I'm writing here. Take everything from keyboard. Take input values from keyboard. Okay, remember this thing. Got it right? Everyone clear these questions? This helps you to develop your logical skill. Got it right, everyone? You're getting these questions? What I'm telling you. Still, you have any doubt in any question? You can ping in the chat. If it is clear, ping yes. Otherwise, you can ping no. No issue. Understanding these questions. Are you feeling difficult to solve these questions? These are easy only. Try to solve it. If you're not getting also, I'll help you in developing this logic. Okay. How to print this prime numbers, logics, everything I'll tell you. And some part of recursion part also I want to take. If possible, I'll explain you recursion part too. For you all, how to take recursion part, I'll explain you that part also. Tomorrow once you solve all the questions, okay, based on that, whether I need to solve it or not, I'll see. And then after that, some part of recursion code also I'll take. For some of natural numbers, Fibonacci series, factorial. I did not give factorial, okay? For prime numbers also, okay? For this sort of things, I'll take some factorial coding, recursive function, okay? I'll show you iterative code, function code, as well as recursion function also. All these things. And I'll explain you everything in clear. Try to follow this and definitely you'll learn Python also easily. Okay, focus on what I'm teaching you. Focus on these things only. Easily you'll learn things. Still, if you want to go some advanced part, you can ping me. I'll help you in advanced coding too. Clear, right? Everything here. Okay. This is day one. Till here we are done. Like day two, everything is clear here. Okay, I have given one nested loop here. Okay, similarly, this sort of question I have given now. You need to enter age. Here we are checking age greater than 18 and age greater than 50. In between this, you are checking here. If age is greater than 18 and greater than 50 condition, you are checking. Okay, age is greater than 15, age is less than 50. And here age less than 18, it's minor. Age equal to 18. Three conditions will have. This is nothing but nested loop. And the question, 10th question, what I have given, it's related to that only. Okay. And last 10th question, what I have given here, it's related to that only. Got it? You need to use some 10th question. I'll write 10th question. Otherwise, I'll write here. Okay. Clear, right? Everything. Done for today's class. I'll share this Python notebook also. Keep on practicing all the things. These are very important. Like if you want to develop your coding skills, follow this all things. Okay. Yeah. If anyone have any doubt, 1 minute. Let me stop the.
Thanks for watching. Try solving these questions and share your answers in the comments. Stay tuned for part 13. And don't forget to subscribe.